Oh, hi guys. I didn't notice you were there. Now, you must have seen I was yawning and you started yawning. It's because yawning is very contagious. What I mean contagious? Very contagious means it can spread. So, when I yawn, you too yawn. Someone near me yawns. Do you know that even in your classroom, if you yawn, others catch the yawn? You don't know about yawning. First, let me tell you about yawning. But probably there's no answer yet. One of the myths is because we get bored, tired and sleepy. You may notice you start yawning by that time. Another theory, because you are hot-headed. Not the one that is for like angry, like someone has hypertension. But instead, it means to cool your brain temperature down, as your brain functions well at a specific temperature. Like, why do we yawn? We also get dozy when we yawn. But why? We don't know. Still, all scientists have tried to figure out their best why do we yawn. Another name for yawning is called oscitation. Another real silly fact is that do you know that even unborn babies yawn? Do you wonder they may get it from their mother? That's to make you inhale more oxygen. You feel a short pause in this breathing cycle. So that's all for today. Bye guys. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. If you like this video, click the like button and share.